kailan po nagiging legal issue ang simpleng away mag-asawa o away mag-partner? Ano yung masasabi mong linya na hindi dapat tawirin? The line that shouldn't be crossed?
Well, of course, walang kinalaman ang gobyerno kung paano kayo magsama bilang mag-asawa. Pagpapalaki ng anak, di ba?
Yeah, yes.
Yung paano gastusin
It's
ng
a personal
finances.
thing,
It's a
yeah.
very personal thing. We have
Yes.
nothing to do with it. But ang gobyerno po ay may karapatan at kayo din po bilang kababaihan, meron din po kayong karapatan na ireklamo kung kunyari po ang away mag-asawa ay nagre-result po sa pang-abusong pisikal, sexual, psychological, or economic abuse po.
So, the operative word there is abuse.
Abuse po.
Pagka meron ng abusong nangyayari sa pagsasama, that's when you can already...
Yes.
Yeah.
Yung doon na po nagiging usapang legal,
Okay,
hindi lang
yeah.
love life. Kasi
Yes.
there are things that are matters of the heart. Yan, di ba? Personal relations. But there are things that also go into the matter of the law.
Right. Abuse is not a sweet thing, di ba?
Yes, it's not.
Hindi to romantic thing. So,
It's not.
you need legal advice, legal assistance to
Opo.
deal with this matter, di ba?
Opo, kung ang away po ay nagiging physical abuse,
Okay.
sexual abuse, psychological abuse, at economic abuse, that's all punished under RA 9262 or
Yes.
the Violence Against Women and Their Children Act.
The VAUSI. Okay. So, marami nagtatanong, Fiscal Jo, kapag live-in lang, no, at hindi kasal, may legal rights ba ang mag-partner sa isa't isa?
Meron po.
Meron.
Sa totoo po, napakalawak po ng saklaw ng VAUSI.
Okay.
In fact, ang sabi po sa batas, ito po ay pinaparusahan po ang any person, meaning hindi lang lalaki, pwede ring babae. Any person who commits acts of physical abuse,
Okay.
sexual abuse, psychological abuse, and economic abuse sa kanyang wife, former wife, person with whom he or she is having a dating or sexual relationship.
Yes.
Oo. And also a woman with whom he has a common child. So hindi lang exclusive kung kasal kayo, pero kung may anak kayo, mag-boyfriend girlfriend kayo, nag-date kayo dati, or nagkaroon kayo ng sexual relations dati, kasi
Yes.
it doesn't have to be dating, right?
Yes, yes.
And also, kung kunyari, nagkaroon kayo ng anak dati,
Mm-mm.
yung mga babaeng naabuso ng mga partner nila or naging dating partner, pwede pong maireklamo.
Okay, so may legal rights.
Lahat,
Even if
yes.
without the benefit of marriage.
Yes po.
Pwede pala, okay.
Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosim po. Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito tayo sa True FM. Mag-subscribe and follow po sa ating social media accounts. Hanapin lamang po ang True Network PH. Siyempre, kompleto yan. Nandyan po kami sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa X, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast.
Dito tayo